Good morning, friends. Very good morning to all of you. Since 8 days, all the traders are in confusion because Bank Nifty is not going anywhere. Neither it is falling nor it is going up. It has defined its boundary 44,090 on upside and 43,345 on the downside. So it is trading within this area. This is the end of the day chart analysis. Yesterday, it could not go here. If you carefully observe, I'll zoom it. It has created one more range. One more range yesterday. So this is one level that is around 43,501 and the low was 43,590. 590 and it started going up. Finally, it has been pushed down and a doji indecision candle has been formed. Indecision candle shows sellers, they do not want the price to go up. They have pushed it downside. Here, in this area, if you see the opening of this price, this candle, bullish candle, 43,597 and this close is 43,622. So these are the close opening 43,583, 43,597 and 43,000. Closing is 622. So, and this is the big close. This is the first close near the 40. This is closing around 43,440. And on which day? Tuesday, 20th June, it scared all the people. And it went below this low, 43,443, to reach here to the downside of 43,345. 43,345. You can see the buying pressure coming into this and it has closed inside this range. And the price is in this range. What can happen is they have created liquidity. There is a liquidity beneath this. So the close is only here, 43,948. Here, the visible close on the Bank Nifty is 43,948. These are all aberrations. They have gone up and they have closed down. Here, another close is around 43,771 in this. On the upside, 43,954 and 43,764 is the close, positive close within this boundary. And the negative closes are 43,450 and 43,646. At present, this is the negative close. Even though there is no body, it has closed beneath this close. This is the next close, negative close on this dozy type of candle. But it is above the close of the opening prices. So the price action is very confusing. They do not, this is managed within this range. Price action is managed within this range. And if we go back to the history here, the lower closes, I'm considering the lower close as 42,637 and 43,173. Whenever it has closed around this area, there is buying has emerged into the market. Buying has emerged into the market, and this area, this level, if you carefully observe, if this area or this close is acting as a base for this candle. This is acting as a support for this candle. That's why this type of price action. So a close below this level, that is 43,327. Note down, please. 43,331 will call for caution. Call for caution, sudden drift in the market. But there are going down, there are bases. These are the closes which acted as a support. Which acted as a support. That means from there, a big bullish candle you can see. From this close, you can see a wick, just a wick to this, and it has closed up. Buying pressure has come over here. And here to this level, buying pressure has come to this level. Now, this is the major level, major support level around this area. Buying pressure has come, but whenever buying pressure has come, there was an indecision candle and the sellers have dominated over here and it has taken out. So anything, it is a struggle actually. When the price goes, there will be a selling pressures. And so now this close is below the closing of this area. This area, that is 43,701. You can see this is the closing, visible closing. You can see below this closing, This has closed below this area, but it is in the boundary of the buying area where buying has emerged into this, and the price is indecisively trading within this. I don't know what it is, what it wants to do. See, if you see the candles on daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So many days, it is unable to go there, unable to go down. What may be the intention of this type of behavior is, within this range, you are seeing a ping pongs. Buyer is coming and seller is dominant. Buyer is pushing into this and pushing the price to this, and sellers are coming down. These are the sellers are. So there is a battle going on between seller and the buyer, which usually happens in the market, whether we have to see who is going to win the battle. Till that time, there is indecision in the market. And yesterday, there was within this range, lot of stocks have corrected, come to their support levels. So I feel some sort of buying, short covering may take place, since so much of selling pressure has seen within this candle on this day, not even this on this day. on this day, you had seen lot of selling pressure in the many stocks, banking stocks, name it, so many, State Bank of India, all the stocks, except HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is staying as a strong person. So many stocks have come to their support levels. Probably some sort of buying can emerge from this area, that short covering force can push the market to this top 43,939. Suppose if the buying emerges above this level, what is the level? 43,928. It may try to hit this boundary again, or seller can emerge into the market. Remember, this is a type of distribution happening, in that within the distribution, you can see some sort of buying things. That happens in the market on and on. So I'm not talking about the structure of the market. Now, structure of the market is weakening. Why it is weakening? Because nobody is interested to go past that. Buying is not coming. Within that, why buying is not coming? Real buying is not coming because of the valuation of the stocks. This index depends upon the contributors from the other stocks. Now, at present, on this day, yesterday, most of the banking stocks have come to their support level. So, naturally, some sort of short covering can happen in the market Monday or Tuesday to push the market to cross this boundary. It may gain strength to cross this boundary, that is 43,930, to this boundary. This is the close. This is 44,080. If it gains, it can go up to this. To cross this area, it needs very strength. Very strength, in the sense some strong economic news. At present, if it hits this 44,080 before this month, we will be happy. This is the end of the day chart analysis, and I have analyzed the range in detail, and I have analyzed the boundaries and what can happen. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.